Our names are Rosa Pérez, Patricia Hernández, Brenda Gallegos, Alejandra Durón, and Diana Segovia. We will give you a little introduction about QFD matrix.
So first, we did a survey with 10 questions, and we applied it to 10 different people. And after we got the results, we selected 5 of them that the people asked for.
In this matrix, we use the surveys to find out what the customer wants and the customer requirements are: service, price, quality, honesty, and confidence, and other services. We put these elements on the left side and we put the things that we can offer. These elements are attention to the clients, discounts, additional services, established schedule, and ways of payment.
So, once we have the things or the elements that the clients need and the things that we can offer them as a company, then we are going to put a number from 1 through 5, 5 being the highest number and 1 being the lowest. Service, we put a 4. Price, a 5. Honesty and confidence, a 4. Other services, 3. In other services, we put installation as well as painting the articles or the products. And finally, quality, which is a 4. Then we add them up, and the total of that is 20. So then the next part, we are going to divide the number 1, which is service, which is 4. 4 divided into 20, multiplied by 100, and that gives us a total of 20. So we do the same thing with price, honesty, other services, and quality. For price, we put a 5, we divide it into 20 times 10, and it gives us 25. For honesty and confidence, we divide 4 into 20, multiply it by 100, which gives us 20. Other services, 3 divided into 20 times 100, which gives us 15. And finally, quality, which is 4 divided into 20 times 100, which gives us 120. And then we add all of them up. We add 20, 25, 20, 15, 20. So that gives us a total of 100 points. Then we are going to evaluate the 5 elements that us as a company can evaluate. The circle with dot represents a 9, the triangle represents a 1, the circle by itself represents a 3, and a space in blank represents a 0. So for attention to clients, we put a 9 because it's really important for us. The price, we put a triangle which represents 1. For honesty and confidence with attention to clients is a 9, a circle and a dot. And for attention to clients and other services, a 9 as well. And the same thing with quality and attention to clients. Then we go to the next part. We go to discounts and service. We put a triangle which represents a 1. Discounts and price, which represents a 9. Discounts and honesty, which represents a 3, a circle. Other services with discounts, a little circle. And finally, quality with discounts, which represents a space in blank. So we do the same thing with other services, establish an hour schedule, and forms or ways of payment. So once we do that, we have to get the total of each one. So once we have that, we are going to go ahead and do a little triangle on the top area, and we are going to divide it with 5. So we use 4 symbols. 2 positive symbols, which is really relevant. 1 positive symbol, which is relevant. 2 two negative symbols which represents irrelevant and one negative symbol which represents super irrelevant. So then we go ahead and do the little house, and we go attention to clients. What is the importance of attention to clients with discounts? So we go and put relevant. What is the attention to clients and other services? And we put two positive symbols. So we do the same thing with attention to clients and establish an hour schedule with two symbols. So we do that with all of the elements. For example, other services with forms of pay, we put irrelevant. Establish an hour schedule, forms of pay, super irrelevant. So we go ahead and we do that until we finish.
Then you need to add the total of points. For example, we have an 8, we represent the circle and a dot, and we multiply that with the percentage of each one. After we have and multiply, we add everything, and that gives us a total of 700. So we do that with every element that we have.
Well, we evaluate ourselves with price, honesty, material, the same elements. That customer said, and for service is a 4, for price is a 4, for honesty and confidence is a 3, for other service a 2, and for quality a 4. Then we select 3 competitors around the Calvillitos area, and we did the same thing.
And this is how the QFD matrix works. We make a survey and ask customers, and they tell us what they want. And we put what can we offer them as a company. The QFD will always tell you what you as a company can better, but it won't give you the solutions. Now it's up to the company to come up with strategies to solve the problem that the company has.